Many poultry farmers have been asking, out of all the organic supplements for broilers, which one delivers the best natural or organic broiler fattening results? Today, I have brought you one of my best, thoroughly tested natural broiler fattening supplement that consistently shows impressive results. The readily available and surprisingly powerful PAWPAW leaf, also known as papaya leaf. Stick with me to learn how PAWPAW leaf can cut your production costs, how to easily prepare it as a natural broiler fattening formula, and the correct amounts to use to see real broiler fattening benefits in your broilers in a couple of weeks, whether you add it in the feeds or in their drinking water. If you're serious about achieving optimal broiler fattening and overall healthy broilers, subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our latest practical tips. Here are some amazing things I found out about the PAWPAW leaf and how it works to fatten your broilers. PAWPAW leaf contains a key enzyme called papain. Papain breaks down proteins, releasing extra amino acids that fuel rapid broiler fattening and significant weight gain in your broilers. It also promotes a healthy gut, improving digestion and nutrient absorption, which is crucial for effective broiler fattening. Plus, PAWPAW leaf is packed with vitamin A for healing, B vitamins, vitamin C, and essential minerals like calcium and iron. It even boasts a high crude protein content of around 30%, often more than standard feed ingredients, and a low fiber content for easy digestion, all contributing to its effectiveness as a broiler fattening supplement. Now, how does this natural broiler fattener supplement offer to your broilers? PAWPAW leaf offers a range of advantages for your broilers. Number 1. Increased feed intake for broiler fattening. Papain helps their gut work better, leading to improved digestion and faster absorption, which makes them eat more, providing more fuel for broiler fattening. PAWPAW leaf also makes the feed more appealing and tastier, therefore increasing feed intake. 2. Faster weight gain and better feed conversion for broiler fattening. Studies show that PAWPAW leaf significantly boosts daily weight gain and final weight in broilers. This further ascertains how the PAWPAW leaf is a key supplement as a good broiler fattening formula. It also improves how efficiently they convert feed into body mass, meaning you get more broiler fattening from the same amount of feed you currently use. Research indicates that including PAWPAW leaf meal can lead to a lower feed conversion ratio, saving you money on your broiler fattening efforts. One study compared groups of broilers, with one group getting no PAWPAW leaf meal and others getting increasing amounts, 8%, 1.5%, and 2% of the PAWPAW leaf powder or meal into their feed. The results showed a clear trend. The more PAWPAW leaf meal they ate, the heavier they got, demonstrating its power as a broiler fattening supplement. The group eating 2% PAWPAW leaf meal reached nearly 3 kilograms, significantly more than the control group at 2.6 kilograms. Their daily weight gain, a crucial factor in broiler fattening, was also higher. Importantly, the feed conversion ratio was best in the 2% group, meaning they used their feed most effectively for broiler fattening, and the cost of feed per bird was also lowest in this group.
Are you tired of seeing your chickens struggle with diseases? Frustrated by low egg production or poor quality? Do you wish your broilers would grow faster and stop worrying about the effects of heat stress and those nasty worms? As an organic poultry farmer, you know the value of natural solutions, but finding reliable information can be a real headache, right? As Agribusiness Insider, we have made you an organic poultry ebook. This ebook is specifically designed for farmers like you who want to use readily available organic products to keep their chickens healthy, get more eggs, and fatten your broilers organically. What do you get when you buy this ebook? 49 different organic products you can use for your chickens, meaning that you can finally say goodbye to expensive and potentially harmful chemical treatment. Each product comes with a simple step-by-step preparation procedure. It's written in easy to understand English with a clear and simple layout. We provide specific dosages for broilers, layers, and even indigenous chickens. Exact amounts to add to water, feed, or give directly. The best part, this ebook is backed by research with references from peer-reviewed studies, so you can confidently implement these time-tested remedies knowing they are scientifically supported. To get your copy, click the link in the description of this video and transform your organic poultry farm today.
The third benefit is that pawpaw leaf helps in disease protection for healthy broiler fattening. Pawpaw leaf can kill coccidia parasites and other harmful gut bacteria, helping to prevent diseases and keep your broilers healthy for optimal broiler fattening. It contains anti-inflammatory compounds and vitamin A that help heal any gut damage. 4. Improved meat quality in properly fattened broilers. Broilers fed with pawpaw leaf tend to have better meat color, taste, and tenderness. The yellow color comes from carotenoids in the leaf, and the tenderness is due to the papain, contributing to a higher quality end product from your broiler fattening program. 5. Metabolic health and antioxidant boost for efficient broiler fattening. Recent research shows that pawpaw leaf meal can help reduce levels of glucose, triglycerides, and cholesterol in broilers, which is good for their metabolic health during broiler fattening. It also increases antioxidant enzymes in their bodies, strengthening their natural defenses, supporting healthy organic broiler fattening. Here's how to prepare pawpaw leaf for your broilers as a natural broiler fattening supplement. For pawpaw leaf powder, first harvest fresh, healthy pawpaw leaves. Wash them thoroughly, chop them into smaller pieces, dry them in the shade, not in direct sunlight, to keep their nutrients intact, and once they're crispy dry, grind them into a fine powder. The dosage for this powder is 10 grams of pawpaw leaf powder for every 1 kilogram of your broiler feed. For pawpaw leaf juice, harvest fresh, healthy pawpaw leaves. Wash them thoroughly. Blend the leaves with a small amount of water and then strain the mixture through a cloth or sieve to get the liquid extract or juice. The dosage for this juice is 50 milliliters of pawpaw leaf juice into every 1 liter of your broiler's drinking water. When you start using pawpaw leaf as a broiler fattening supplement, keep a close eye on your broilers for any unusual reactions and adjust the dosage if needed. Always ensure your pawpaw leaves come from clean sources, free from pesticides or other contaminants. To keep your chickens safe and ensure the quality of your broiler fattening formula, store the dried pawpaw leaf powder in a cool, dry place to maintain its quality for effective broiler fattening. Click the video on your screen right now to learn about top natural chicken antibiotics. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.